Sack up in our drawers. Real shit, do or die, we gon' risk it all. Driving like a stolen cat, we gon' bust the law. I'm a little day, and I'm about them all. Rob who, take what, huh? Bust them all. This real shit, do or die, he won't catch them all. Trigger happy, catch him lacking, he won't get one off. Pack of wolves, gotta feed him, but I'm the biggest dog, got a big man.
What's up, gang? Smoke Flare 392. We outside. I got a banger for y'all today. I got my boy Mike pulling up with that carbon cat. You feel me? Turn this young nigga in the city. Not gonna lie to you. Yeah, he about to pull up on us in that carbon cat. We're gonna do a review on it. We're gonna do a walk around. We got a little private session going on tonight, so shit, me and Mike will probably pull up to that as soon as we get done doing our little review here. Woo! There you go. There you go. This bitch pressure. This bitch hard. God damn. It's a real one-to-one for you.
Under that hood. Man, that reminds me of my car.
She done wrecked her Hellcat, fuck around. Pressure, so my boy.
Yeah, so what you doing? You all right?
Here go the man with the plan, Mike. Turn this young nigga in the city. You feel me? He dropped carbon cat and the streets went crazy. This bitch hard. When the sun hit it, I know it's hard, but when the sun ain't on it,
Make your eyes hurt.
nah, dead ass. Make a motherfucker think they seeing optical illusions and shit. Good carbon cat, whole car though. Like, my nigga did not play. Roof. Nigga, all the accents, nigga, splitter, everything carbon. The whole goddamn, it's all carbon on my mama. No shortcuts. So shit, we just gonna jump straight into the car. What year is the car, Mike?
Shit, it's 18.
2018?
Yeah, yup.
2018.
Originally a slim body though.
Originally a slim body. What made you want to put the wide body on it?
Shit, I'm gonna do it different. I'm gonna make my own wide body, so I did it. You know, there's people, oh, they ain't gonna look right, they ain't gonna fit right, the wheels ain't gonna do it right. I'm like, shit, man, let me just show y'all.
Shit look good. I mean, this man even got the carbon fiber on the taillights, bro. Like,
no cap though.
Come on. So on the wide body kit, how long did it take to get the kit put on? Did it take to get the car painted? Because under the wrap, the car is FA green, right?
Yeah, it didn't take too long. It kind of took. My dude had it for probably about. He was so backed up with work and he had redid it. I got it redone and the body kit actually molded into the car. You know?
Oh yeah, so it ain't just slapped on. That shit's actually on there.
Every piece molded on now. So he had it for about 3 months, molded them all on.
Every piece molded on. You hearing? A lot of y'all niggas, y'all doing y'all shit with that adhesive tape and slapping them on there. You hit 80 on the highway and your whole wide body kit done flew off on 75, tripping.
Yep, but shit, you know, with it being a slim body, you gotta cut it. So
up in the fenders?
Yeah, like my real panels is cut, so
okay.
I had to do that then.
And that was what, to fit the wheels,
yeah,
like in suspension and shit?
It's 20x11 wheels all the way around the tire.
All the way around? Oh.
315s all the way around too. So.
And this man got 315s all the way around. Come on, quit playing.
Baby mural.
Quit playing with that boy.
I got 22-inch all red rookies coming, man. They said Rucci get you.
They get that coochie. You see the G8, it's dirty, it's filthy.
I got them rookies from my dude Bobby. They came up with 2020 Challenger wide body, so they staggered super wide in the back.
So is that the ones that's deep dishing on the inside?
Closing pad. Then they got like 285s on 22s on the back. I'm gonna fit a 315 under it. Wide body replica wheels too. So.
Is that what they are?
Yeah.
They tied this motherfucker to, even when he had before the carbon wrap, like it was tied together even before that. But like I said,
the little shit I had him wire up the fog lights right. Cause at first time when we did the fog, like white color. Now they do the blinkers and shit too.
So we got the sequentials on there too.
Yeah, when you hit the blinker, it's sequential. I put them down. Covers back on here. You know, they weren't the same carbon fiber at first, so I wrapped them and made them all the same carbon fiber.
Also, you got the covers. I didn't even peep you had the covers on the vents.
And then the ones right here. You really don't tell till you get up on it. Like, damn,
Yeah.
we got some extra shit going on. But we gon' what's my rims is painted red. We gonna wrap the face of the Ruchis the same part.
The LED on the side.
Take these covers off and end up wrapping the mirrors because the mirrors ain't the same carbon. You can tell.
Oh yeah. Okay. The mirrors are a little darker carbon, kind of like a more blackish.
Once we do the rims, I got the wrap already. We're gonna wrap the mirrors and then wrap the face of the red Ruchi. I was probably the
Keep
first,
it G,
one
yeah.
of the first young niggas in the city with a scat.
With a scat.
2017.
He was in high school. Come on now.
Back in the dorm in the
red scat.
Parking,
Come on, in a
like,
scat.
Ain't no way he doing that.
You don't know too many youngins like that turnt. I mean, like I said.
I done had a scat. I had that at what, 19? Shit. I had got totaled it. Somebody tried to ride me in it, so I got shot in it and shit. Totaled it. And I had to come all the way back again.
And he definitely came back the right way. Yeah, hold on.
He carboned up too.
They carboned him on the inside.
So everything matching up.
I'm about to lock the G8 up. POV driving the cat. This motherfucker smooth. You said just put a JLT code air on here?
Yeah, man, cause I swear the stock one did not fucking grab.
It didn't whine like that?
It's loud as fuck now, gang.
I can tell when you pulled up. Oh my god, damn.
And then I got a Corsa Extreme.
You got the cat back?
Yeah, yo.
You got the Corsa Extreme cat back. That's what I had on the street.
I had to trade in one of my dudes for it. He really blessed me for real and turned me up.
Turned you up. So I got a question. How is the gas like daily driving the cat? What's the average you at the gas station throughout the week daily driving the cat?
Shit. Ain't gonna lie, this bitch. The way I drive, it's always in sport. I ain't gonna lie, it's probably about 60 a day.
Oh yeah, so he probably getting a good like 9, 7, 8 per gallon.
He like what?
Shit. So what about the highway? When you take it on the highway?
Nah, I ain't gonna lie, it's good on the highway, bro. You said it at cruise control. You would never even think it's supercharged.
He said he in sport mode all the time. He probably don't ever
That
go to eco.
Sets as soon as you double click.
You go to eco ever?
Never.
Never. So you know what type of time you on.
My dude keeps saying, come on, where you trying to race in the black key? What black key? I don't
black
even,
keys.
Listen, I probably could throw that motherfucker in the trash can and let it go to run.
Said they should have gave him 2 red keys. Look, the fuck? That's what you want to hear. You hear that baby up under there? I know y'all hear that baby. Oh shit! They just threw me back in the seat. Shit. Woo! Woo! Through the tunnel. Yeah. Good cat. I know y'all heard that whine.
How you doing?
I told him, I'm like, we need to bring it up here. Yeah, here it is. We got the 101 carbon cat on my boy Mike. They definitely turned the city up with this one. Stay turning the city up though. I see that intake. Good JLT performance. Good Hellcat. Big 6'2". Mike got the hardest cat in the city, no lie.